Hey everyone, today I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to order from Temu. So make sure to watch until then to get all the details and tips for a smooth shipping experience. Let's dive in. First thing first, open the Temu app on your device. And once you're in the app, start by browsing through the wide range of products that Temu offers. You can scroll through the homepage, or you can use the search bar, which is at the top, to find the specific items, or you can select the specific category. If you like a product, you can see the cart item below that product. Tap on it. Here you have to select the size or the color of the product and then tap on Add to Cart. And once you're done, tap on the cart icon, which is in the bottom right corner, and you will see all the items which you have selected over here. Currently, I have 5 items in my cart. Temu offers free shipping sometimes, which you can see here. And if you're eligible, you won't have to pay for shipping. And however, if it is not available, you might need to choose a shipping method that includes a fee. Now, click on the checkout button, which is at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will take you to the checkout page. Now, here you have to add your shipping information. You need to fill in details like your country, apartment number, and once you enter this information, click on Save It. Now, next, you have to select your preferred payment method. Temu offers several options, including Apple Pay, Card, MasterCard, PayPal, Afterpay. So, choose the one that works best for you. And if you have a coupon code, click on Apply Coupon Code. And here you can enter the coupon code in the provided field and then click on Apply. Now, with the help of coupon, you may get a discount on your order, and this will adjust the total amount accordingly. Now, click on Submit Order, and that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.